Now I'm going to show you how to make hummus salad made out of chickpeas. We're going to use half a cup of chickpeas soaked in 1.5 cup of water. Again, I wanted to mention it's the same process as in the falafel. We have to soak it for 10 hours, at least 10 hours to overnight, which is overnight. After that, we're going to cook it for 1.5 hours to 2 hours until it's soft. The difference between cooking the chickpeas for falafel and cooking it for hummus salad is that when we cook it for hummus salad, we add salt and pepper to it with 3 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, and ½ tablespoon of pepper, black pepper. If you have any foam during cooking, you just take a spoon and take it out. Just take the foam out. We cook it for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Once it's ready, you can see that it's nice and soft. We're going to drain it and we're going to continue to the next step.